Good morning. I've got a very large chai bed here, and I am going to start picking some chai to dry and to also make vinegar. Hi, it's Brenda down here. Okay, so we're going to pick these chai, and these are the blossoms here, and I'm going to dry these. And also, I'm going to dry this here, the green part. I should have got these a little bit earlier, but these will be fine. Going to make vinegar. And I got another huge bed, which you can't see, off to my right here. Right here. It's got a lot of grass in it. I haven't had time to come and get the grass out. As you all know, between Ray's sickness and all, it's been a little crazy here. So I'm just showing you how I pick these. And I'm just going to pick a bunch of them. I have a friend that loves chive vinegar. So I'm going to stop you here, and I'll bring you back when I'm making it. Phew, wee, is it hot out there this morning. Wow. I picked these this morning, and I just rinsed them off. Even though they had a little bit of dew on them, they tend to like ants. Ants like to get in. So I washed them really well. So here they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quart jar right here, and you want to just put the blossoms in. And I have a friend that loves this, so I'm going to be gifting this to her. She likes to put this on her baked beans, and yeah, she'll really enjoy this. So, you know, the more you put in, the stronger flavor it's going to be, of course. And I will put this, before I give it to her, in a dark place for about 2 weeks. And just making sure there's no bugs. See, I found an ant right there. See, they just love to get in. And then I'll filter it out and put it in a nice little bottle for her. And I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of these blossoms yet. I don't know. I may just dry them out and have them for further use. I'm not sure. But this is all you want to do. We'll put a few more in there. I hope everybody's well this morning. It's supposed to get in the 90s today, so it's going to be a warm one. It's very humid out there this morning. See, there's another ant, so I like to look real close when I'm picking them and doing them up. And still, you never know. You know, you do the best you can. Okay. I think that'll be good. So then you want to take some white vinegar of your choice, and you just want to pour it right in, just like that. And that's all there is to it. You let it sit, you cap it. I'm looking here for something I can't find. I like to use wax paper over the top, but what I'll do is I'll have to go downstairs in my storage and get some. And then what I'm going to do is put the wax paper over it, and then I'm just going to cap it like this and put it away for about 2 weeks in a dark, cool place. Look how pretty that is. They will all settle down eventually, but makes a nice chive vinegar. You can put it on salads, you can tenderize your meat with it. My friend likes to put it on her beans. So that's what she'll be doing with hers. So I hope everybody has a great day. God bless, stay safe, keep the faith, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.